Hey y'all, it's Casey here with LiViliti Health Products, and today I'm going to show you a live demonstration of how UVC LED technology kills live paramecium. You can see the live paramecium moving around on the screen. And in just a second, I'm going to turn on the UVC LED and watch how quickly this technology kills the paramecium. Turning on the light now. In this demonstration, we use just one UVC LED. The LiViliti Paptizer contains 40 of those same UVC LEDs. Use the information below to learn about how to bring this innovative technology into your home.